Hi everybody, hope you're all safe and well. Bit different this video. I've had an idea, or for months, that I wanted to do and I never really got around to doing it. So decided to do it. So you take one standard X, or well, you know, standard as they ever come. You then cut a slot out the back. Right. Do you want to have a look at what I'm planning? You best come over here. Right. So the idea is, I've often thought about the fact that I don't do fire steels with my knives. So what I thought, well, why don't you have your fire steel actually in your knife? So originally I thought I'll do them with pins. I'll put fire steel in the pin and somehow move it out, but nah, not going to work. Then I spoke to a good friend of mine who gave me a suggestion. And this is what I've decided to do. So this is just going to be a little test, but I thought you might be interested. So let's have a closer look. Let's keep all this nice and raw, shall we? So as you can see, now if I come down that way a bit, I can see exactly what I'm doing then. Right, the plan is we have a fire steel, we have a knife, which is going to go in here like so, and then the fire steel is going to be in there like so. All right, I'm going to use magnets to hold this in place, neodymium, you know, the little strong ones. This is going to be pinned, so I'm going to drill holes in here. Sorry, let's come here. I'm going to drill holes in here, and then pin this, so it's probably going to be hidden pins within. So then this will be pinned into there, and then pinned into there, if that makes sense. And then we're going to shape all this, and I'm going to try and shape this. I'm not quite sure whether I think I'm probably going to put some liner across here, some G10. But then the whole idea is you've got your knife, which will just be a normal knife. And if you need it, you have a fire steel. What do you reckon? It's a magic shed. What could possibly go wrong? So, anyway, if I haven't bored you to death, join me and we'll get this thing going. Right, so I've drilled the holes now.
So, just back on this.
There you go. As you can see, they're all chamfered. So now on to the next stage. Here we go. So there we are. This goes on here. This goes on here. This goes in here. And it will be locked in. So instead of having to carry your old fire steel separately, etc., etc., it'll be a case of pulling it out the back and off you go. What do you reckon? I like it. Anyway, take care. Bye. Hang on, if you don't stop then. Good evening, everybody. Hope you're all safe and well. Exmoor blades. Blades are meant to be used. Proper job.